Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we're addressing today is quite common with the Dyson HS01. If your Dyson keeps losing power, it could lead to inefficient cleaning and frustration during use. Ignoring this problem can lead to further damage, resulting in a more costly repair down the line. To resolve this, we will require a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger or plastic opening tool, and a replacement power cable specifically compatible with the Dyson HS01. First, ensure your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the handle. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the casing. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any clips or the casing itself. Inside, you'll likely find that the power cable has become loose or frayed. This is often the culprit behind the loss of power. Carefully inspect the cable connection and, if necessary, take note of how it is connected before disconnecting it. Once you're ready, gently pull the old cable out from its socket. Remember to take care not to tug on any adjacent components. Grab your replacement power cable and insert it into the same socket, ensuring it sits securely. Once it's in place, you can now reassemble the casing. Align it carefully and press it together until you hear the clips click into place. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but avoiding over-tightening, as this could crack the plastic. When everything is back in place, plug your Dyson back in and power it on to check if it's functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring in the future, make sure to regularly check the integrity of the power cable and avoid pulling on the cord while using the device. Additionally, keeping the device clean and free from debris can help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.